Trains in Montreal, and I got a eastbound CN train. The guy was cool. Looks like all hopper cars, so maybe a grain train? I don't know. About 4 o'clock p.m. here at Dorval on the 18th of February 2022 after a really, really heavy snowfall. Look at that pile of snow. Pretty windy too. There's trains here on track 2. It was creeping up pretty stealthily. Didn't really hear him up until like almost the last point. City Rail locomotive. So it's 2 City Rail locomotives in the train. Flats. No Toronto streetcars on it. There's a lot of flat cars with nothing. And that's the end of the train right there. All these empty flat cars. And of course there's a train that I missed earlier that was sitting there when I got here. Auto racks and mixed freight, I guess, waiting to get into the yard at Taschereau. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.